Yo, what is up? Welcome back. It's your boy, and I did do a video on this one. Of course, we're on Granny 3, as y'all can see. But I've decided to come back here because in all 3 of the Granny games, they have been updating them like crazy. And there is like a new part in this map that I kind of wanted to go through and practice and try to see if I can finish it. Then, if I can, I'm going to go back in, like, the actual thing where Slenderina and Granny and, I think, Grandpa are in it. And then I'll try to go back and through the first one and second one and show y'all. So, if y'all like this, please give this a like, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. Let's get right into this. If you drop something on the floor, Granny will come. Grandpa does not hear very well. Nor do most grandpas. I have never seen a grandpa that can hear very well. If you see Slenderina, look away as soon as possible. Okay. It doesn't seem that hard. Teddy is pretty important. You mean the teddy bear that was in the first one? Not in the second one, but is back in this one? If you are stuck in a bear trap, look at it and press and hold the remove button. You can hide under beds and in wardrobes. You have 5 days to escape. Dum dum dum. Alright, let's get into this. Oh boy. It's gonna be a long hour and probably 40 minutes because I'm wanting to see if I can beat this. It's loading. Is this the intro? Yeah. Forgot to turn off the intro because it's the same intro, but I just forgot to turn it off. Why are you even there anyways? I've never figured that out. And I did not see you open that. That's your first clue. Your first clue should have been that house. Your second should have been that car that's just stuck there. And 3 should have been that freaking door that's closing behind you. You should have just tried to open it and left. But instead, you walk up to the front door. I mean, just look at that freaking house. Would anybody go in that? Please, let me know. Oh my god. You know this person is white. I don't know why, but I'm white too, but I wouldn't do this. And you didn't even get a letter or anything saying you needed to go over there. No, I don't want to be welcome to that house. Oh my god. Wait, does he have a shotgun? What the heck? Now, I know this boy isn't still alive. That one shotgun shell from that thing should have killed you. Day 1. Round 1. Fight. I'm just kidding. So, first off, something that's new is the touchpad. Because, you see, the touchpad was originally smaller than this. I didn't have, like, this much detail. And the second thing is, you see that hole right over there? If y'all watch my last video that I made on this one, there was no hole on that wall. And I'll show y'all. It's still like the same details. You still gotta unlock doors and stuff, but there's like a whole lot of new stuff. And to be honest, I'm kind of scared to play this because I haven't played this for a while. It's just been sitting there on my phone. I haven't played it. I've been more into like Roblox and War Robots than I have anything else. So yeah. But look at this. This was never here before. What is this? Is this another room? And what is this? I don't even want to know. I guess somebody was digging a hole or something. Can I open this? Can I even knock that over? Oh, okay. So, I need a coin. How much is that coin worth? I really want to know. It was made in 2020. That's actually when the update was. Wait, yeah, the update was in 2020. So, wait, never mind, because I was playing this in 2020. It was sometime this year. It doesn't. What do you mean it doesn't work? Okay, whatever. So, I gotta get in here somehow. I also gotta get in there. Is there anybody in there? Hope there isn't a dead body or something in there. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. I'm glad I'm playing on practice mode right now. Just out of curiosity, what would happen if I... Bro! Shut up. You better not be able to open that door. Ooh, I like that food on there, actually. Hang on. Most of that is vegetables, so... I mean, I like the, apples in the back, and whatever else is on there. Canned tomato sauce. Alright. There's the weapon key. It's the same one that I don't know if this is the same, like, weapon key that they used in every single map. I'm pretty sure, like, the first one was way different than this. Wait, is this the way out? Hang on. Oh, gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and knock that over. What the? Oh, okay, that was the train thing. So you're telling me that Granny, Grandpa, and Slenderina have a freaking train station under their house? Or is it, like, I guess somebody dug it out and found it. Can I get money out of here, please? No? Okay, then. Well, I'll come back for that weapon key. Out of curiosity, would this hit me if I came over here? Can I even get in here? It doesn't work. Of course. Why didn't you go off? You didn't go off or anything, so I don't... Can I get through here? It doesn't work. Seems to be some kind of sensor. What? Can I get in through the front? Oh, come on. Shut up. Can I disable you? Is there a way to disable you? Yeah, sit there and be nice. Sit there, stay pretty. Actually, maybe I can break the glass. With what? Please, explain to me, what can you break with that? What can you use to break the glass? Alright, so we got that in there. That's the same thing. Is there anything in... Oh, hello. Long time no see. I see they still got you trapped here. Oh, poor guy. Or girl. Or man. Or woman. I don't know. It's a beautiful day we're having, right? I can see you had a cavity. Actually, several. Oh, okay. Are those gold teeth, my boy? No? Or girl? Whatever you are, I can't tell. I just know you're kind of creeping me out. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Bye. I'll come back later, maybe. Probably not. Picking the lock. We're going to pick the lock. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, so y'all already know where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go outside. Hello? Anybody home? Hello? Nothing in the trunk. Of course, there's never anything in the trunk. Why would I ever think there was something in the trunk? So I guess a car isn't an option this time. I thought last time you were able to get in the car, but I guess it isn't an option. And that thing is back here, so I can't go over that. Actually, I think it's a crocodile this time. I'm not sure. Can I use a rock and, like, break the... I don't even got a slingshot. Crap. So, let's just go around back and see what we got. I know the shed is back here. What is that noise? I'm hearing something. Oh, goody goody. I need I need a shed key. That's nice. That's beautiful news. So, question, can I go through the back door? Oh, okay. There's no lock on this door. What? Oh, yeah, there is. Make it actually look realistic. I actually put it on a lock. Because if you don't, then it just looks like you're putting a lockpick to a door. I like this house, though. Well, I like some of it. I don't like how it looks. I think it could use some remodeling. No telling how many people they've killed. Ooh, matches. I'll need that later. Any wood? Anything? Hello? Hello? Anybody home? No? Okay, then. Just making sure. Did I check the cabinet over here? Wait, did I check this one? Yeah, I already checked that. Alright, well, we have confirmed there is nothing in the kitchen. The safe key. The safe key goes over here, doesn't it? Doesn't it go over here? Does it go right here? Oh, why am I looking up? Wait, no, it goes in the bathroom. I remember because on the side of the, little, like, post thing is the, safe. Hope there's money in it. That would be really nice. Is there anything in here? Guess that was me that made the creaking noise. I thought it was the drawer. Is this the... Nope. That's where I came from, so it's upstairs. Imagine having to go upstairs just to use the bathroom. I don't even think there's a second bathroom in this place. An electric switch. Ooh. Wrong room. Oh, I gotta pick the lock. I hope they don't have this like as a dick. Well, actually, I don't even think they pee, so, yeah. But they have a bathroom. I'm sorry, I have to do it. Oh, man. It's funny. It's funny how they actually have it to where you can actually pull it, but then if you actually pulled it, they would come right in here and kill you. Nothing's gonna pop out of here when I open this, is it? The bridge crank. That's nice. I haven't even got anything else in the game, but I do have a bridge crank. Yay! Can I open the kitchen? I'll be right back. As soon as I can find the stairs. There's a third floor. Oh yeah, there's a third floor because I gotta get on the roof to that stupid crow. Hate that crow. Wait, hang on a second. Do I have to go, like, do I have to, no, because it goes right here. So, yes, bring it down. Now, will I die if I come over here? Can I just go ahead and... It's never that easy. It's never that easy. I hate it. I hate how it's never that easy. You ain't gonna go back up, are you? Or are you gonna stay down? Alrighty. Can we at least take this car? Please? I know it has nothing in it. Oh, well, never mind, the tires are flat. You can tell because you see how they're going down like that? Yeah, they're flat. They're not, that's car's junk. No, I did watch, like, the animation, Futuristic Hub, shout out to them. They've made, like, basically, like, real entertaining videos about, like, certain video games with, like, Baldi, Sonic, Steve from Minecraft. And they did do a video on this, but I remember when they made a video on it, Sonic and Baldi went in the car. And, it was a trap, and they got gassed. I think it was, like, sleeping gas or something like that. But That's not in the case in this game. I like their stuff. They're pretty entertaining. Anything in here? Alrighty. So I've been down here. There's nothing in here. Anything in here? Nothing? Okay then. Need the weapon key for the... Oh. Okay, that's nice. I thought I already found the weapon key, but I forgot that was the safe key. Anything in here? Is there anything in here? Open says me. You got nothing. Okay, that's nice. Anything in here? No? I gotta pick the lock. I'm gonna actually put it on the thing so it actually looks realistic. Because see, look, if you just put it like right here, it picks the lock, but it doesn't look real. So yeah. Okay. So, I've looked through this whole house, and there's the electric switch, but I don't even know where that... Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. Does that go to the, No, it doesn't go in here. But, does it go to that, box in the top floor, or does it go, like, to the, cooking things, or whatever is in the kitchen? Okay. Because there's nothing really else that I can use this for, is there? I haven't even been up here yet. Oh, I gotta pick the lock. Figures. You see, it looks more realistic when I do it like that. So, does it go to this? Does this go here? You need a fuse. Well, where does this go? Alright. What was the point of this? Is it just to get trapped? And I know for a fact if I fall down there, I'm dead. So, yeah, I'm not falling for that. So this is not go here. Alright, it is confirmed that it does not go in here. Can I open here? Ooh, a coconut. Cocoa melon. Cocoa melon. No, I'm just kidding. It's not a... that sounds actually pretty disgusting. A watermelon and a coconut mixed together. What would that taste like? Because, I mean, like, coconut milk with watermelon on maybe, like, the bottom of the milk would actually probably taste pretty nasty. So, does this go here? Where does this go? Please tell me. In my suffering. Please. Does it go in here? No, I've already been in here. Oh, boy. 18 minutes and I haven't got nothing done. Does it go in here? No? Can I hide under here? Yeah, I can hide under there. Okay. Anything in here? Nope. Oh, hey, there's a TV behind here. Anything on today? No? Okay, then. Where is the kitchen? Please, tell me. Oh, it's this way. Oh, okay. Okay. Nothing in there. So if this doesn't go in here, I am gonna scream because I don't know where this goes. Does it go right here? Please. Please tell me, where does this go? It doesn't go on here, does it? Where does this stupid thing go? Hello? Does it go in here? No? Okay, then. No electricity. Well, I've got the electricity thing, but I don't know where it goes. I'm betting it probably needs to go in the shed, so I'm gonna... Oh, nice shot. So, yeah, let's go back up here. Oh, wait, do I need to take it into the basement? Me leaving the front door open. Yep. Oh, did that? That did not close, okay. So there's nothing in there. Nothing in here. I don't have the key for that. Or wait, does it go down here? Does it go down here? Oh, that's where I get a ticket. Seems to become Sonic Sensor. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Get a life. Get a life. Thank you. Now shut up. I'm gonna go in here and get my food. We'll close that. Wait, what? Oh, wait, is these one? Yeah, it's one of those doors. So I know that I went in here. Wish you could disable these things. Oh, wait, can I? Nope, I can't. Tried. Anything on the shelf? Nope. Y'all telling me y'all don't keep like a crowbar or something in here? There's the weapon key. Thank you. I thought I seen the weapon key in here. Can't I just like throw this over at this? Guess not. I wonder, can I throw the watermelon at the window? Oh, where's the way out of here? It's this way. Poor fella. We ain't gonna end up like that, are we? Where's the... Yeah, it goes in here. What weapon is it, first of all? Ooh, nice. So, before we try anything, like with the coconut and stuff, let's actually see if I take this down here and shoot it at the window if it will break. Let's just try that out. We got one shot. I think we can actually pick the rock back up. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's just going on. My sensitivity is up pretty high for some reason. I don't know why. So, let's see. It worked. Oh, wait a minute. Did my boy actually just go over that glass? It's the crowbar. Unlocked, says me. It's the crowbar. It's the crowbar. There's the shed key. Thank you, finally. Now, as I was saying, do you know how bad that would hurt if you actually just sat on that glass to go through the window? You still actually, cut your leg if you go through a window like that. I hope y'all know that. Oh boy, there's the firewood. Now we're getting somewhere. Let's take this back up here. We'll go back for the shed key in a second. For right now, I'm gonna run into the wall. Okay. So I know from experience if this goes in... Nope, never mind. I lied. He goes upstairs. Down the hall. To the left. Never mind. He goes down the hall to the right. To the left. Over here. There we go. Got the firewood. Now we gotta go back downstairs and get the matches. Actually, no, we already unlocked it, I forgot. Wait, where are the matches? Are they in the kitchen? I think they're in the kitchen, aren't they? Are they? Yeah, they're right here. Get the matches. A book of matches. Alrighty. Oh boy. Then we'll go back upstairs. Nope. Hey, hang on. Was it this way? Yeah, it's this way. Okay, so we gotta be like pretty fast at this. Okay, so go ahead and drop that. Go ahead and drop this. I go upstairs. I gotta go up these circular stairs, like the round stairs, basically. Gotta go out here. Gotta go on the roof, up here. Before the crow comes back, we gotta get the train key. Ooh, this is a nice train key, though. I would kind of try to see and test if I would hurt myself if I did this, but I don't want to. I really don't want to right now. Maybe some other time. Wait, why am I lagging? Yeet. Yeetus Martinez. We still do not have a coin. And I am still lagging a little bit. So now we gotta go back all the way downstairs. Go out here. Wrong way. Go back out this way. Close the door here. Oh boy. There's a crowbar. Oh man. I'm looking forward to opening this train here. Open it like that. It doesn't work. What do you mean it doesn't work? I have the key. I say open. When I say open, you say now. Open. Now. Open. Okay. Can I open it? Can I open this door? Oh, wait. I need a lever. Alright. Can I open it right here? Do I have to break the glass again? How do I get in here? Wait a minute. Both of them? Okay, so I need the lever. That's where that goes. Shut up. I am gonna... Never mind. Apparently there is no, way I can get in. I got the key stuck. Uh-oh. Alrighty. So now we gotta go all the way back up here. It's in the kitchen. I believe I put it in the kitchen. Gotta go all the way back in here. Oh boy. Oh. The kitchen is this way. Like, this isn't boring. It's actually pretty fun, but I'm tired, and that's why I'm yawning so much. Alright, where's the lever? It's right here. Can I pick it up right here? Oh, okay. I guess not. Alrighty. Is it up this way? Alright. I'm gonna go back down here. So, how is everybody? Is your day doing okay? Alright. Oh, man. 1:53 in the morning, and I haven't slept at all. Mostly because I've been sleeping all day long. I've been sleeping since like maybe like 10 a.m. and just haven't got up. And so now I should be able to. What? That's pretty wrong. Shut up, you stupid robot. I was just gonna say it doesn't work. You faker. Now can I get in here? Can I not get in? What was the point of this? What was the point of that? It didn't even unlock anything. What was the point of this? Hello? What was even the point of this? I can't even get in. I don't understand what the... Seems to be some kind of sensor. What does that even mean? That doesn't even work. So how the heck am I supposed to get in here? This is confusing. And I already pulled everything over here, so... You aren't gonna come down here. What I thought. And this doesn't work. This button doesn't work. Shut up. Shut up. Can I not get on the train? What was the whole point of this? Whatever. I don't understand what the point of that was, but okay. It didn't unlock that, I know that for sure. Alright, I don't know what that was for, but we're just gonna continue on our merry way. We got the shed key. I'm pretty sure it didn't unlock that door. And that would probably be too easy for us right now. And I forgot I gotta go get the coconut and break that. But okay. Ooh, look at the night sky. There's the moon. Hello, moon. Alright. See ya. Why, hello. Do I got to start you, young sir? Why not? Why can't you start generating, huh? What is this teddy bear for? Can I just, throw it away? I'm gonna add for you, see if I can do this. Oh! Get rid of the evidence. Did it respawn? I lost the teddy bear. Oops. Oopsie daisies. I lost the teddy bear. I hope I didn't need that. I actually really hope I didn't need it, because I just threw it at the bottom of the whatever this is. Now go pick it back up. Nope. It's, yeah, it's gone. It's gone forever. Apparently I didn't need it, because it didn't respawn. So can I go drop that coconut in there? That would be probably bad if I did that, wouldn't it? Yeah, okay. Wait a minute, did it power the electricity? Okay. Well, I am completely stuck on what to do now. Didn't unlock anything here. Didn't unlock that. Didn't unlock anything over here. I'm so confused right now. Because I know I gotta go upstairs and get the coconut. I know that for sure. It's on the very top floor. Gotta go up here. Coconut's in this room, right? Yeah. What's up in these drawers here? Nothing. Nothing. There's something inside this coconut. Figures. Don't think is a coconut a fruit? I guess it is. I honestly didn't think it was, but I guess it is. I guess it's technically a fruit. Nope, that's the wrong way. It goes out this way. I guess I could go the kitchen way and then go out the back door. Where is the kitchen? Where is the kitchen? It's this way. Oh, man. This is a long game. And it's even longer now. So, are you gonna automatically do it? Oh, a coin. Yippee. What is it worth? Like 10 cents? I mean, I know it's worth a ticket. And especially, it'd be good because then I can finally shut that stupid thing up. I don't even know how they built a train under her house. Or his house, or whatever. Still need that key right there, I figure. I don't think I need the crowbar for anything else. I can set this in here. It'll give me a ticket. Here, I got your stupid train ticket. You happy now? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What? Oh, you're opening the train? Okay. Train key. Is there anything in here? I need an accelerator. That's nice. I kind of wanted to stay on the train here. Or how maybe you can stay there. Can I open this back door? Nope. So, I made this trip all for nothing. I don't even have an accelerator on me, so, yeah. My bad. Anything else in here? Nope. Alrighty. Well, now I'm completely stuck because, I don't know where anything else is at. I don't know, honestly. I don't know. I give up, honestly. What else is there? I've already opened this. Hurry up on those. What the heck is this? It's the teddy bear. Should I, like, chop it in half? Or, like, what am I supposed to do with this stupid thing? Can I go ahead and leave? Can't leave. So, what am I supposed to do with this stupid thing? There's nothing on this side of the house. Is there anything back in the shed? There's something behind the shed? The plank. Y'all know where this goes. Oh boy, 38. No, actually, it's 39 now, and it doesn't look like we're getting very far. Now I gotta go upstairs. Oh my god. Oh wow. Wrong way. It's on the top floor up here. Gotta go up through here. Wrong way. Figures. Right here. Are you gonna automatically go? You're not going on there. So the point of this was what? Spider web. An accelerator. Now I gotta make sure I don't fall. Oh, I literally thought I was dead. I actually thought I was dead for like a good long 5 seconds. I thought I was dead. 40 minutes, and I think we're out. Please tell me we're out. Please, please, please. Please tell me we're out of this nightmare. If not, I gotta take that crowbar up there. Thank you, ticket sir. I'm leaving now. Goodbye. No! I need the train key. Actually, I think that isn't the train key in here. Yes! Goodbye. It's been nice knowing you. I'm out. It's right here. I got the train key. I did post it. Oh. I thought I closed them. Please. Thank you. What's going on? Whoa. We out of here. Bye, Slenderina. See ya. Never. Thank God. We out, baby. Yeah. The end. Alright, well, if y'all like this, please give this a like, subscribe to the post notification bell. Whew, I thought it was going to take a lot longer than it did, but it didn't. So, if y'all like this, please comment down below. Tell me what I should play next, and I'll try to do it. I'll see y'all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.